Okay, curiosity killed the cat. Okay, I looked over here. I thought maybe this pipe went underneath there, but you see the end of it? The end of this right here, see? It's got one of those end caps on there again. So I know it doesn't go that way. So I had to follow the pipe over. Okay, and look at this. Look at this. Here it goes. Circles around. Goes on down. Kaboom. Right there, another pipe. And it looks like, if I'm standing here, it looks like it goes straight across. Boom. Right over here is where that goes. So guess what? I don't have to pull these up either. You know, once you start digging and you got drip irrigation all over the place, you want to see where they terminate and how they get underneath and all that kind of stuff. We saw one pipe there. One pipe's going across there that I still have to dig out over there. And this pipe right there goes across here. I'm going to dig that up and then see, remember, we've got a light right there, so I can tap off of that light, can I? Because I'm going to replace that light with a different light. Basically, it's going to look about the same, except it's going to have a little small down rod on it. This one probably has a down rod down in there that it came off because there's threads on it. See, I just haven't really looked at this yet. I haven't done it, and they might have thought, you know, let's just put it like that, and they Mickey Moused it, and there's nothing there. Who knows? But because there's a light here, because there's a light there, I can just tap off of that one, right? Run the wire over, fish a wire through that, chase. So hey, I'm right in the thick of it, right? So guess what? Yes, I'm gonna dig a hole here, and chances are when I dig that, there's probably gonna be some roots there. Hopefully the roots aren't gonna be in my way to this nice little evergreen right here. It doesn't really look like it's getting much water either. See how it doesn't look that great. So, you know, I'll have to check that out too as I'm digging. There should be a dripper there. Maybe the drip end is clogged up and not working or something like that. I should really check that out, because on a tree such as that, you should have at least a 2-gallon dripper there. And maybe there's just a 1-gallon dripper on it or a half-gallon dripper when it was really super small and it never got replaced and it got dirt in it, and maybe it's hardly even dripping out the water. So I'll check that out too, okay? That is my next step.